Welcome to businesscreditbuilder.us. Today we will be discussing what is business credit and business credit benefits. My name is Noel A. Booker Sr. Business credit advisor at businesscreditbuilder.us. Well, let's dive right on in. We're going to start with what is business credit? Business credit is credit in a business name that is linked to the business's EIN number. This is credit a business owner can obtain that is not linked to their Social Security number. When built correctly, the Social Security number isn't even supplied on the application, meaning there is no personal credit check to obtain this kind of EIN credit. Yes, that is true. Um, you can build the business credit separate from your Social Security number using your EIN number. Okay? Okay, applying for consumer credit. Applying for consumer credit. When you apply for something such as an auto loan, the lending institution pulls your personal credit using your name, address, and social security number. This information is sent to the credit reporting agencies. They supply the lender a credit report with all the information they have related to someone with a similar name, address, and social security number. With this type of credit, an inquiry is then put on your consumer credit report, and your report is used to make the credit decision. Plus, the credit you obtain is reported to the credit reporting agencies. So that's the basic scenario of when you apply for something using your personal credit. Now, it's a little bit different when applying for business. When you apply for something such as a business loan, the lending institution pulls your business credit using your business name, your EIN number. Okay? This information is sent to the business credit reporting agencies. They supply the lender with a credit report with all the information they have to a business with a similar name, address, and EIN number. With this type of credit, an inquiry is then put on the business credit report, and your business credit report is used to make the lending decision. Plus, the credit you obtain will then be reported to the business credit reporting agencies. Now, there's a difference in the personal, which is the consumer credit reporting agencies, and the business credit reporting agencies. And that's the note that's what I want you to see with this slide. Okay. Now, applying for business versus personal. Okay. It's important to note that when applying for financing and credit using your business credit, you should not supply your social security number on the application, even though it will be requested. Okay. So if you're applying for business credit and you see the social security field, just leave that blank. You put in your EIN number where they ask for your EIN number. Okay? When you do this, no personal credit check will be pulled because the lender can't pull your personal credit without your social security number. This forces them to only be able to see your business credit report. Your personal report isn't even seen. Your EIN credit is provided as you supplied your EIN and not your social security number. This means you will only be approved, you will be approved only on the merits of your business credit report. Your personal credit isn't even reviewed. Okay, let's go over some benefits of having business credit. Okay, Overall, business credit has no direct affiliation to personal credit, and that's a big deal. Okay? Business credit reports to the business credit reporting agency, not the consumer reporting agencies. Okay? So you have your consumer reporting agencies, but then you have a whole different business credit reporting agency. Okay? Equifax, Experian. Okay? Business credit is used, it has no adverse impact on the owner's credit because it's not reported to consumer agencies. This means utilizing the account even over 30% won't have any adverse impact on the personal credit scores. That's a big deal. We're going to talk more about that in a moment. And there are no inquiries on the personal credit when you apply for business credit as long as you don't supply your social security number. Okay? 10% of your total consumer credit score is based on inquiries. So, if you're using your personal credit to apply for business loans and credit, your personal credit scores will go down as a result of those inquiries. Okay? So you'll be doing extra inquiries on your personal credit because you're trying to get business credit with your personal. Plus, those inquiries can remain on your credit for an extended period of time, affecting your ability to borrow more money. Some unsecured business lending sources won't even lend you money if you have two inquiries or more on your personal reports within a 6-month period. Okay? So inquiries matter. Okay? On the other side of that, 30% of your total consumer credit score is based on utilization, and 30% is significant. Using more than 30% of your limit will result in a score decrease. Here's an example I like to use. Say you got a brand new credit card, got $1,000 limit on it, right? You say, okay, I got money in my pocket. I'm gonna go buy me a TV for $500 using my credit card. And I'm gonna pay that credit card bill off right away. Normally, you would think that should increase your credit rating, right? But it doesn't. Even if you paid it off right away, okay? Because what happened here is you're using more than the 30% that they want you to use, okay? So had you got a TV for $300, paid it right off, you'd be good. You will increase a little bit, but doing more than that 30%, you will decrease significantly. So this means 40% of your total score is damaged just because you applied using credit you obtained using your consumer credit scores. With true business credit, 0% of your score is affected. Okay, for more information, please just go to businesscreditbuilder.us and notice these three buttons down here. Okay, so if you feel that you want to find out about business credit for your business, what you do is go to businesscreditbuilder.us/consult to get a free business credit consultation for your business. What we will do for a consultation is we'll find out about your business, where you want to go, what you're going to need to get to where you want to go, and how we can help you. Okay? Free consultation, schedule that now. Also, you can get a free guide on how to build business credit. Just go to businesscreditbuilder.us/free guide. Okay? And you'll get an email And in the email, when you get that email back, there'll be a link in the email that will give you an opportunity to download your free guide on how to build business credit. Also, if you think you qualify for funding now, or you want to find out if you qualify for funding now, you can get approved for funding. Go to businesscreditbuilder.us, get funding. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.